Hello everyone, today we're going to go through dollar yen and a dollar yen gold S&P and what is really happening today. Today we are seeing dollar falling, we are seeing S&P 500 going higher, we are seeing Nasdaq going higher, we are seeing US 30 going higher. Can this be the day we have all been waiting for? Maybe it is, maybe it's not, but at least one thing is for sure, it is Friday 29th, 27th, sorry. That's gonna be a good day. Boom. Ay. That is great. So how are you guys on a Friday, mate? Today's sponsor of this video, if you have tons of pips, you just need funding, please consider today's sponsor.
This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Other than that, I hope you guys are enjoying today. So let's go through what we need to go through for today's webinar. We're going to go through Forex Live. We're going to go see what is the latest headlines. We're going to go through financial news and as to see what is the latest one here. And we are going to go through the economic calendar for today and maybe also for next week, and then we're going to go through institutional research coming up for next week. By the way, as you can see, wrong way, that way, up there, it says risk warning, this stream is not financial advice. So if I take a trade, it's only my own trade. You do your own analysis. Don't follow me just because of follow me doesn't work. And that's why you're here, to learn how to do it yourself, right? So, first of all, we are seeing dollar bearishness. Doesn't have a lot of argument, apparently, according to ING. Pound to face pressure at 126. Well, what happened, mate? We went above 126, and we're going higher again. Boom. Someone's right, someone's wrong. Wait a minute. So somebody said, Eivind, why did you buy euro? I've got a lot of feedback today, some lashback as well, for buying euro. And I was like, dude, it's a bullish aggressive trend. Am I the only one here buying dips? And I remembered I only told the daily setups, so that's where you're supposed to be. You're supposed to be in daily setups. Maybe we should do a giveaway about that one day. Maybe I don't know how many we should give away though. But I said yesterday I'm gonna buy the pullbacks. Oh, dang it! We are going to buy pullbacks as long as we are above 106. 50 level. Are we above 106.40? Current price is 107.20. Yes, it is. Now we're coming back down to like buy price for today. Well, I was buying a bit early. I don't care. So did I buy there again? Yes, I did, mate. I forgot to tell you. So also bought. Where is it? Where did I buy it? Maybe on my phone here. I bought it at 107.08. Woohoo! Woohoo! I bought it there. Sorry. But yips. Am I better today? I'm better today. I sound better at least. So, people. Is this live stream for day trading? Yes, it is. Is this stream for swing trading? Yes, it is. But one thing it is, I've taught you this for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 millions of weeks ago. I was gonna buy euro today. It doesn't come as a surprise. If you guys haven't watched my streams, I can't help you if you have been sleeping in class. But for those who's like, hey man, but it's not bullish. What do you mean it's bullish? It's bullish down here. That is the first bullish buy price. I was a bit late. 105.66. But about here. Okay. And then we go higher. Boom. Buy again. And what do we do again today? Bought again. Support resistance. That's how it works. So, okay. So I'm just gonna mention that to everyone then, since everyone is so pressed when I don't do it. Bought again at 107. 107.08. SL. What's SL? 106.40. 106.40. At everyone, I guess. Charts and explanations complete. So I'm done. Now, are you guys happy now? Well, it's a bit late to tell everyone now that you bought it now. Well, it is what it is, peoples. So, yo, Miro. Yeah, Miro, you have a fantastic thing. So you added me on Steam. Of course, I see what you do, mate. Steam says Miro is playing .2, whatever you were playing, and I'm like, not today. So, what is the reasons for me buying euro? So, first of all, second of all, third of all, those of all, above all, we have higher high, higher high, low, higher low, higher low, and higher low. Okay, good, bullish trend. Okay, who is subscribing to my channel? Who is it? What's up? Welcome. Dropping bombs. That's what we're doing. So, where are we now? Where we go? So, seasonality, Seasonx, Euro USD. What do you think happens in the beginning of or end of May? Let's see if we can find that chart very fast. Let's smash the like button. Now checking profit on 108 on Euro USD. Give or take, yeah. I'm not 100% yet sure where yet, but it's around 108, give or take. Ozai! Namaste, sir! Namaste. I don't know, have I lost my internet again or something like that? Like, what's the motto here? There we go. So, from 28th of May, this is 27th, up until 9th of June, up until 7th of June, we have... do we have only an 80%? 80% chance of winning trade. 80% of winning trade. That sounds good to me. So, yeah. Maybe 9th, maybe? That's 70. Ooh, nice. Ooh. There we go. Yeah, okay. So we're somewhere around 80-90%. Yeah. So why am I buying euro? Because I have an 80% chance of winning. Now, the second analysis, we need to bullish about that. Then I need to have pullbacks. I have pullbacks. What else do we need? We need superpower. Okay, I'm joking a lot here. So I have done this for the past 3 to 4 years now, but end of May, sorry. And it's my stealth mode. is when Eivind comes to the stars are aligning and Eivind is bullish. And look at that. Now, if it falls down like last year, I'm gonna cry a bit. I'm gonna be a bit frustrated. But nothing is going to stop me from doing my job, right? I'm in stealth mode. So if you're gonna see this stream today, I'm gonna talk about Euro. I'm probably gonna enter another trade throughout this video. So make sure you still are subscribed to the channel in case. Very aggressive. TechBao says very aggressive. Okay. Oh, I feel hurt. Okay, so TechBao. Okay, so you say very aggressive. I'm gonna tell you why. Okay. Somebody's challenging me. I smell a challenge. Let's see. Challenge. See, June. First week of June, that is 2020. In this market, as you might see, we have a very aggressive market. That is what I have identified as, yeah, that is what I believe should happen, an aggressive market. I also then need to trade aggressively. Okay, so market is aggressive, I'm believing it's aggressive, everything is aggressive, I'm aggressive. I then think that we should go down to like maybe another year, like 2019 maybe. Let's see if that works out. That would be golden too. Maybe that was a wrong year. There we go. So if we then go into like replay mode, so we can go down to 1 hour. Okay, so here we are again, 1st of June. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom, bada boom, bada bada. Hallelujah. We are in profit. So yet again, we can see Euro USD. This is kind of what I was hoping for this year, and that didn't happen. Where we are rising and then coming down, and then boom. So what is really happening here is generally this is a take profit time. This isn't for we're not playing, right? So it broke out of range, about to retest. Okay, so we can look at EuroCAD then. Okay, all right. But for me and Euro, we are gang now. We are buddies, you know. We are buddies. So, do you understand why I'm aggressive? Past performance is not indicative of future results, but it has been aggressive before. Therefore, I'm aggressive too. Okay. So, EuroCAD. We can do some other things. We're going to go through S&P first. What is happening here? Let's see what's happening. So right now we are seeing S&P 500 going higher. Great. It is not bullish for me yet. We have to cross about 4,100 and we haven't done that yet. So I'm yet to buy. But don't be surprised if you see me buying this one. So another one is Nasdaq. Another one that is not crossed above the previous high, as made on 18th of May. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go Scooby-Doo! And we are waiting again for another higher high. So still so far we're going good. I will be the witness for the Euro trade you play. Okay, good. As long as you don't where's the US 30? US 30 is another aggressive one, and I'm like, what? And I'm like, yeah, this is great. So there was not a bearish plan. I was like, okay, if this break, if I want to sell it more like here, and it didn't actually work out, which is great. But then apparently I want us to cross a bit higher then, and then we are golden. Is this a bull trap? Is this like dead cat bounce ish? We are yet to see. We're not going to deploy our capital as of right now, but I think this is a great time to be thinking about it. You know, thinking about it. EuroCAD, okay? I was supposed to find EuroCAD. Euro. Okay. Were you shorting it, Miro? Is that what you were doing? The stars are aligning for USD bullish. Very nice. Muy bien, Angle. Muy bien. Okay. Tja. Maybe. You know, I hate this setup, right? You know, this isn't where professional Eivindfx traders trade, right? But you can maybe look for like a resistance like there or something like that. But this can also go do that and then that. So maybe. Maybe. Do you think S&P will go up, pup? Yes, I think S&P. I think the recent bump in America has just been people closing their shorts. Yeah, so I'm not saying that this is going to go up forever and ever, even though I would like it to go up and ever, but I believe that what is happening in the stock market right now is good enough for me. Okay. Dollar index, what did it do? Yesterday, okay, first of all, technical analysis, people. Technical. Why did we do this Indian thing? Because I don't know if Hardik, if you are here, I miss you, man. I miss you. Please come back. So this is where dollar turns bearish in this point. I do believe that since we are still below 103.50, we are still technically bearish. Okay, so that is kind of why. And then somebody said in the chat today, where like I don't know if I'm allowed to share there, but somebody said that price rejected 50 fib level on a Euro USD. Okay, to the upside, so it should fall more. But we're still above 106.40, 106.40, which is good enough for me. So we have, let's see. So lately there has been like there's been some talk in the send for chart for chat for stream. Some more difficult to read than others. This is one of my. Let's see. This is one of my open link to me. I don't know. This is one of mine, and as you can see, 70.73 is like a buy price, and 70.73 was like there. I think it was there, like here. So that wasn't too bad. Can't complain too much there. Okay, fair enough. Does it add up, by the way, people? So there's that one, and then that's that one. Yeah, so price was around here when I did that, so it hadn't gone down all the way down there before going higher. But you lose some and you win some. James put a chart out there. I can open one for you. I think that's okay. Let's see if we can see the screenshot here. He sold pound dollar at around 125 something or 126 something. Okay, fair enough. It's not my direction, but it surely is a peak. I think you now have reached your stop loss. I think you're sold around like here or something. I would like you to see that happening first. So you sell here. So you see that, okay, fair enough. That is, sorry, and then you maybe sell here as well. So you see that, that's okay, but then you need to have a new low and then sell. So I would say you're a bit early. I hope you're break even, by the way. Yeah, you are. So everything is cool with you. I don't want you to lose any trades. We all love you anyways. So if you want your charts to be mentioned on stream, then you can go to Discord, which is in the link in the description, and also tagged link, so you can go there as well. Somebody tells me that it's only for subscribers today. I didn't want it only for subscribers today. I do apologize for that. I wanted it for everyone. But now, is there anything else they have forgotten to do? And these YouTube things? Okay, fair enough. Good, son. I see what you see, but I was long, got burned, so switch size shorted from top. Now it's going well. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Doesn't mean that I like the setup though, bro. Thoughts on EJ, currently holding a sell, 136.31. Okay, alright. There we are. Okay. So here again. Ja vel. It doesn't scream fantastic, Samson. It more screams like this is a higher high and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows, and then it's around about to pop higher. If I was to sell this one, I would probably wait for break of that, then sell it. So, way too early. I do apologize for that. What do you mean, Rafael? Where did I do that? Like that? No. Is that really? What do you mean? Where did I well, I have to go back in the stream and see what do you mean, but okay. I don't want to say that name loudly. USD CAD for tomorrow or any other day is up like that. So any kind of pullback would be great, and then we'll take the pullback. New Zealand dollar, same thing, waiting for pullback. And I think this is going to be aggressive anyways. And you're making me, you're stressing me out here, mister. Stressing me out. Or did you post something else? No, you didn't. Okay, fair enough. So what is the most important news today? Breaking news: US consumption spending 0.9, forecasted 0.8, previous 1.1. Okay, interesting. Inventories went up from 2.0 to 2.1. Holding inventories isn't great. That shows that people are not buying, by the way. Okay, I'm going to explain something to you. Okay, so economic class 101, Eivindfx. Here we go. So here we have retailer. Okay, maybe you then. You go to a shop which sells retail. Maybe shop. Retail shop. Okay. You go to a retail shop. Okay. And you are requesting for, this is you. You are requesting for, then we go for requesting. You're requesting to see 1x, one product. You're requesting one deodorant. The retail shops then provides that to you, provides that with 1x. What the retail shop then goes to, they go to their supplier, which is how do you call it in English, like importer maybe, which again go to manufacturer. Manufacturer, I think that's how it's spelled. Anyways, so once you then go to manufacture, so the retail shop go to importer and say, I want 2x. I want 2x. Now the importer is like, okay. Sorry, that was wrong. So then you are requesting, because there it is. So you request X, they give you X. The retail shop is then requesting, let's see if I can find that T again, that would be great, 2x. And they give you 2x. They again go to their manufacturer, the importer goes to the manufacturer and said that we need 4x, because now we need to cater for all the new demand, and the manufacturer then gives them 4x. Do you see the problem here? The problem is that one, demand for one item, you wanted one deodorant or one shorts. The retail shops give you one shorts. They go to the importer and say, I need double the amount, and they've been given double the amount. The importer said to the manufacturer, produce 4 times. So what this leads to is what starts as a small wave as the consumer in demand, all of a sudden becomes a very big wave for manufacturer. And what does the manufacturer do to the workers? They say produce 8x. Now, and then if you remove 1, which is gone to the consumer right now, if you then go back here, there's 8 items of the same thing for 1. So if you multiply by 1,000 and saying people are generally in the economy, they are requesting for 1,000 units, but they produce 8,000, what is going to happen then? Storage. It will happen. It will end up in storage. It will cost money for the manufacturer, for the importer, for retail shop. If they're going to now hold all these extra goods, what they're going to do, they're going to give the cost to the importer. So now instead of costing 10, now it's 20. Instead of costing 40, it now costs 80. And instead of costing 90, now costing 180. And when a consumer says you're costing 180 for one item, you're like, I'm not going to buy that. And then no sale. Right? So what is happening here is everyone is accumulating costs, but there is no sales, and that is kind of what is happening right now with the with the numbers today right now, is that the accumulation of goods is starting to pile up, and things is like, but how do we sell it then? How do we sell it then? Well, you lower the price. So that is hopefully what should happen very soon, is that price in the end will go down. And now, how is the reaction of the dollar today, you might ask? Dollar isn't really moving on that, but that at least was the economic class 101 today. Hope you guys give that a like. I think that was great. Ivan, is the result of PCE report positive for dollar? If you go and look at the PCE, that the expenditure for the for personal consumption is going higher. It's the same as expectation. So no, not really. You can see that the personal income did not increase as much as expected, but spending went higher. Okay, that is how I will read that. Good, Professor Ivan. Hi, Akim. How are you? Nice shades. Okay. Nobody's going to talk about the economic class we just had. I studied this and I twisted my brain to understand this, and I gave you a presentation in 5 minutes. I'm entitled. What else should we talk about today? Today we are at 3:50. Okay, cool. We have been here for 30 minutes. Fair enough. I'm doing good. So, I am continuing to buy euro, and people are like, "Hey, why are you buying euro?" Yeah, I'm okay. I'm alive. I think this is okay. I need to today. Ska se, somebody. Okay, somebody's okay. Cost of living to support the Bank of England. Okay. Retail sales in Australia is up again. Sounds pretty great to me. Then we have the Forex live. We have Australia. I'm gonna post that later on today. But generally, rocky start to the year. Activity hit by further disruptions. Okay, fair enough. And then I will put that out later on. Okay, cool. So sorry. I'm just telling you, people. Akim, you're very late to this. Okay. So, okay, ma'am. Let me give you another one, okay? I will give you a very quick one. Okay. So, if you say you're gonna make a party, ma'am is gonna make a party. Okay, ma'am, go to the store and you buy in food for party. So, since you go in and you go and have a party, now what you expect? Let's say you invited 20 people. 20 people, let's say 20 people. If you invited 10 people, how many people are you going to make cake for? Okay. If you make a cake for 20 people, you're going to risk that if there comes more than you expected, you have too little. If you buy cake for 20 and you have too little and too few people comes, you have a lot of cake for many people. So what do you do as a producer of the cake? You produce for the amount of people you believe is going to happen, 21 people. Now, the producer of cake mixes sees that Mem is making a cake. There is demand for our cake. Let's make cake mixes so Mem can always have access to cake mixes. And then the cake mixing producer goes to the flour, goes to the sugar producer, goes to all those ingredients against goes into a cake mix, and they go to their producers and they're like, I need more because I'm going to make more. So everyone starts with one, you, goes out, and the further down the value chain you go, everyone is demanding something, but it takes time from you demanding cake mix until the farmer on the ground producing more cocoa, sugar, or whatever it is. Or if you buy more from China, it will take a couple of 3 months before you get a new shipment, right? So it's just how the world is working, how the business world is working when it comes to demand, when it comes to you as a consumer, because they don't know. Is it going to be 2 birthdays tomorrow? Is it going to be 10 birthdays tomorrow with 10 people? Or is it going to be just one? Right? So it's the reaction, which is psychology, which leads to a problem when there's a lot of demand very fast. Then everyone like, okay, let's go make. And then if demand goes away because it's too expensive now, because everyone is charging higher because they really need to push hard to get this new demand, then you don't buy. Then everyone is left with a lot of inventory. That dude wearing yellow hat is having a time of his life. Yeah, that looks like me though. Understood? Thumbs up, thumbs down? Probably just go back over to their YouTube. There you go. And then we go create a poll. Did Calvin, I know you will say no. And you're just here to pull me. You're just here to pull my leg. Last time you guys were having fun with me, you guys were calling me like a dwarf. And I ain't having it. I ain't having it. Aussie going higher, Euro going higher, Pound having a bit of a pullback. New Zealand having a bit of a pullback, not a pullback enough for me. Pound Yen having a pullback, USD CAD falling like having bricks. USD Yen, Euro Yen. I wouldn't sell Euro Yen for the life of me, but that's totally up to you. USD Yen there, New Zealand Yen. Oh, making higher highs. Ooh, okay. Where is it? Okay. Yeah. It still looks like it wants to fall down though, but if it breaks higher here, great, fair enough. Suga says thumbs up. Common says ah. Okay. So, what else do we need to do today? Oil maybe? How is oil doing? Oil went down to the level I wanted to buy. Oh, look at oil! Wow. Wee. So that's a good buy there. Other than that, I haven't bought it though. I would love to have been there a couple of minutes ago, but too slow, too low. Yeah, Calvin. I've already done a Eurocat. I don't like it. I don't like it. Why don't I like it? Because it's not trending. It's range. But sell it for whatever you want. Your Miro, you can be in the selling Eurocat clan. I will cheer for you and I'll be happy for you, but I won't do anything with it. Euro Pound is in a range higher, maybe. I can't really confirm or deny that I like that one either. Euro Aussie, yeah, maybe that would be. That's also another range. Apparently, Aussie Yen waiting for it to reach higher. Great. S&P. S&P's about to break out. Ooh, I love it. 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 I think that is enough for me today. Giveaways is about to, well, it will come soon. So just make sure you're still subscribed because it's only subscribers that's going to be a part of it. I'm not sure when. I had a daydream that I gave away $1,000. That was a bit much. I also may need to purchase more software to be able to host those giveaways. So I don't know if that's worth it. But sure. Yeah, have a good one. Okay, people. Thank you guys for joining in. I love you guys. Love your family. 30% people didn't understand. 30% didn't understand my economic class. We will do it again another time. We will see. And what else? Join Discord if you want to talk to me. I want to help you out. If you're a struggling trader, here I am. But right now, I'm exhausted. Do apologize for that. But that's what it's going to go. Boom.